Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. I'm back with another video. So guys, before getting started, let me tell you, okay, there was something that just fell down. Okay, that was the laptop charger. So don't bother about it. So here we are on the channel. Make sure you subscribe and help me reach more subscribers, and try to share the videos so that there is more audience getting through the channel. And talking about today's video topic, it is how you guys can design your own animated Instagram stories. So you don't need any high quality video editing software, or I'm not even going to talk about Filmora in this video. I'm just going to show you how you can do it online and in a very easy and a convenient way. So first of all, head on to your browser in your PC or in your mobile, it doesn't matter. So and also the website which I'm going to talk about also has its application launched on Play Store. So let me just show you Play Store first. So just opening Play Store, here you can just search for Canva. It's a famous website. If you guys have heard about it, it's good, and maybe you have even seen the same website in the previous videos where I taught you guys how you can design your own custom thumbnails. So here it is. This is the application. You can just go ahead and try that. And here, coming back to the browser and searching for canva.com, you will be directed to the web page. That's the site itself, and here you will be asked to select a design of your choice. So let me just reduce the size of this, and here you will find all these kinds of, and you can see all these thumbnails of my channel. I designed them on the same website. And here, coming here, you can just see animated social media. So you can also just go search for Instagram stories. Over here you will also find an animated social media, and you can also search for Instagram stories, Instagram post, Instagram story is also available, sports Instagram story, Instagram story highlight cover, animals Instagram story, illustrative Instagram story. It offers you a different variety of categories to select from. So let me just go directly from here, animated social media, and you need to have the image on your device before doing the actual process. So first you can just keep your cursor, or you can just hold the template maybe when you're doing it on your phone, and you can see that this is waving over here, and you can just find out a better one. So let me just move this side, and I can show you what's happening here. So let me just design one and show it to you guys. Suppose if you want to edit this, double click on the same thing, and you can just edit the text. You can just go back, type in subscribe to Technoxity, the only famous dialogue I know. You can just type in that, and you can select your own template. There are a lot of templates offered by the website. You just need to search them and filter them, and if you just search for something else, you will also find them. And after completing everything, what you have to do is click on this button over here, download video. You can also select the file format, whether you want it in GIF format or MP4 format. So basically I would recommend any one of these, but MP4 might be a little bit more smoother than GIF. It depends on you whether you guys want it in a MP4 format or a GIF format. So most of the things that are available, like for short clips, people use GIF, but then I prefer MP4. I don't know why. I don't prefer anything. You guys go ahead with your own decision and do that, and you can just click on okay. For now, let's download MP4. Let's click download. Preparing your design has allowed us to stand. Okay, there's a sentence returned there. We don't have to read that out now. So preparing your design, it will be downloaded and saved onto your device. And then what you guys have to do is just open up the Instagram application, then head over to the stories and post it directly, or you can open up the gallery then directly post it there. And if you are using your PC for the editing purpose, you can just go there, open up a PC, transfer the video to your mobile, or always you can use the WhatsApp web and send it to your friend, and then download it back on your mobile phone and then just share it on to your Instagram story. So preparing your design is almost done, and next the image will be, or the video will be installed on your device. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and make sure you comment if you have any doubt regarding the application or the software, or if you have any video topics, also post them in the comments. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.